to know that there's folks like PacificSource out there that are not only donating food, but donating their time, donating their money to make sure that my neighbors in need are being helped, it warms your heart.
As a health insurance company, we feel like it's really important that we participate and give back to the communities that we serve. Our mission is really to improve the health of our communities and help people get the best health care at a good value. So while we do that as part of our business model, it's also really important that that's where we participate across our communities.
PacificSource gives to over 100 charities each year. A lot of money is invested into the communities they serve, and the focus for them is much in line with the mission of their overall company.
They get involved, and that's what makes them so valuable. It's not 3 flights down, we're helping you. They get face to face, and they want to be a part of the organizations that they're helping. They want to understand them.
So one of the things that we do is the Community Health Excellence Program. They're grants that we offer to providers and physicians, hospitals that are really trying to change the way they're practicing medicine in a way that really improves healthcare for everyone. We've been doing it for a few years now, and each year we contribute up to $750,000 a year to this program.
It's amazing. I think that kind of money really makes an impact in the communities they serve.
Part of what's happening at PacificSource is top-down. Clearly, senior management supports, and our board really supports volunteerism and community work, but a lot of it is really driven at the employee level. They're the ones taking the initiative to find programs that they want to get involved in and really reaching out to us and saying, how can we get PacificSource involved? And they really are the ones that provide the manpower and the energy behind getting the work done.
PacificSource does a great job of promoting a culture of giving in the company.
They're not necessarily coming from one direction, up or down, but more it encompasses the whole organization.
It's not just something we do because we have to, because it's expected of us, but it's really core to the company and has been really core to the company for our entire existence.
They find what their employees are passionate about, and then they go out and they talk to those organizations, they get to know those organizations, and they support those organizations because their employees care about those organizations.
So every couple of years, they pick which charity we want to be supporting. Last year here in Springfield, we supported Food for Lane County.
About 41% of the folks in Lane County qualify for some sort of emergency food assistance.
I had the opportunity to take a tour of Food for Lane County and saw many PacificSource employees stuffing lunches for children. So I've seen them in action.
When we say we want to be part of the communities, it's not just something about giving money, it's really about participating in our communities and actually getting our hands dirty and getting involved in the communities.
When PacificSource makes a call and they decide to come volunteer, I mean, they come out in full force. I think our last volunteer session that we had in a kitchen, the CEO was here, volunteering right along with the rest of them.
The type of people that work here really, really want to give back to the community. That's a big reason they've come to PacificSource. They have other employment choices, but part of PacificSource is out in the community, and employees who come here love that part of it, and I think if we gave it up, there would be a revolt.
So when you talk about having a resource in the community that you can call and be like, hey, we need your help and we need it right now, PacificSource does that, and you can't put a price on that.
A few years ago, we started a community garden. It was an employee idea, said, hey, wouldn't we have the space out back? Can we have a garden? And we said, sure, which every year produces about a ton of food that we give away.
Employees are going out and they are growing this produce themselves, and then they're donating it to a local food pantry, which is unreal. I feel like there couldn't be a better organization to win this award than PacificSource. With where they are in the community, what they're doing, how their employees get involved in everything they do.
I would really like to thank our employees because it's really their work that has driven this award, and without their commitment to our community, PacificSource really wouldn't be able to accomplish what we want to do.
I was very excited to hear that PacificSource won this award, and I'm very proud to work with them.
We are really, really humbled and excited to receive this award, and we hope that it's a reflection of the work that we're trying to do in the community, but we don't do it for the awards. We do it because we really are in it for the people.